How do starfish see? Do they even have eyes? Starfish do have eyes. But where are they? Well, look here. Do you see that small spot? Every starfish has a small spot right on their top. I thought this was a starfish eye, but I was wrong. This is not a starfish eye. It's a pore that starfish use to suck in water to inflate their tiny tube feet. They use those feet to move around the ocean floor. But how do they see where they're going? Where are a starfish's eyes? Well, they're not on their top or on their underside. Instead, look here. Do you see that small dot at the very tip of the starfish's arm? That spot is a simple starfish eye. Starfish have a single eye at the end of each arm. And that's how starfish see.